This question is kind of like number 3 on this test, where there's definitely an algebra way to solve it that's pretty fast and that you should pretty much know how to do. But there's no real excuse for getting it wrong if you're not confident with algebra, because there are other things that you can do to solve this. So let's start with the algebra way, and then we'll go from there. So first and foremost, they give me an instruction right off the bat that x is 9. So let's get rid of the variable. Like, it's just kind of a hurdle that they make us jump through, but let's just do it right away. Now, to solve, my goal is to work my way towards the k. So for order of operations reasons, I need to kind of like think of the k plus 2 as in parentheses, and I can't touch that until I've gotten everything away from those parentheses. So that means that first, that 9 is going to get added. Okay, so the radical k plus 2 is equal to positive 9. And then, in order to get rid of a square root, we need to square it. So square both sides, and we end up with k plus 2 is equal to 81. Let's subtract out that 2, and we're left with k is equal to 79. And that's the answer. Done. So the algebra here, I think you kind of do need to know how to get rid of, square roots and all that stuff. So you do need that. However, if you were stuck, if you weren't confident, one thing you could always do here is just guess and check, because it's not like k could be any number in the universe. It can only be 1, 7, 16, or 79. So you've got those options. And if we plugged in something like, I don't know, 16, let's just pick one here, we'd see that 16 plus 2 minus 9 is equal to 0. So the square root of 18 minus 9 is 0. Well, I know that the square root of 16 is 4. So the square root of 18 is probably a little bit more than 4. So that doesn't make any sense. It's not 9, right? So I'd be able to cross that out, and I'd hopefully be able to see that I need a bigger number, and then you just try D, and it's going to work. It's going to get what you need. So when you're stuck moving forward through a question, always see if there's a way to move backward. Guess and check is a very simple way to move backward, and it's good when the answer is something simple, like what is the value of k, what is the value of x, what is the value of y. You don't have to choose from every number in the universe. You've only got 4. Pick B or C, try it, and then if it's wrong, adjust, and something will work. And then you get some points. It's a good thing. Use the strategies.